Okay guys, how's it going? ABC Pwned here once again, and today we are going to be doing the Ghost Fleet on A Pirate's Tale on Roblox. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look on your map by pressing M and find the world event for the Ghost Fleet. Once you do that, you could just go over to it and basically you just kill them. You should bring a ship, a decent ship, so that you guys won't have too much issues actually killing the fleet. But usually you could either like board the fleet or you could like shoot at them. Normally we just shoot at them, but I guess we're boarding this one right now. So yeah, what you're gonna want to do is you're basically just going to, oh god, they're pretty OP, so be just a tiny bit careful. Oh god, here let's heal up. There we go. All right, perfect. But yeah, just be careful because you guys can see they're really OP. But it's pretty cool. Once you kill them, you get a title. I think it is WRAITH Slayer. And you also get, do I have any ammo? Yes, I do. You also get a random piece of furniture, or not furniture, this isn't Tradelands. You get a random clothing item, or if you're lucky, you might get like a legendary curse or something. But you're more than likely just going to get a clothing piece and a title, which is pretty cool. I mean, yeah, it's not too bad. Alright, let's shoot this guy here. Come on. It's taking forever, dude. I'm gonna die before this thing shoots. Oh, there we go. Oh god. Here, let's drink up. Let's drink up. Okay, that was close. But yeah, you just want to basically kill all of the ships. Right now, we're just about to kill this ship right here. Should be able to kill it somewhat fast, especially since we have a really good crew. We actually just did the Kraken video about 10 minutes ago, where I showed you guys how to kill the Kraken and what you get from it, which was pretty cool. But yeah, now we're doing the Ghost Fleet fight, I guess. Oh god, these things do so much damage, man. I don't know what's up with this. Alright, here, let me go kill this guy. There we go. We killed one of them. Alright, I think that might be it for all of them. We're better drink or we're gonna die again. I should actually drink that as well, because that's like plus 50 HP. But yeah, this is a pretty hard fight. I mean, you're definitely going to want to bring friends if you're going to be doing this. Like I kind of have with me. I think this ship is done. Yeah, so that's one ship done. I think there's 3 ships in total, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure though. I'm just trying to get on the ship. That mermaid outfit. It's so hard to see, man. Come on. Can't even see, man. Can I get on? Can I get on? Okay, what the hell, man? Let me on the ship. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Man, that was painful. Alright, one ship is down so far. We still have, I think, a couple left to go. Let's just drink up just so that we don't take any extra hits and end up dying. I think we're looking for the next one. I'm not sure. Oh, our ship is actually really good health, though. So that's not too bad. I think they're just looking for the other ones. I'm not sure, though. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I will make a chop for when we find another ship, because I'm pretty sure we're just looking for a ship right now. Alright guys, we're back. We have found the second ghost ship that you need to find. It's a little bit tricky just to actually find the ships. But yeah, I think the best way to go about this is just to board them, honestly, because it's really easy to just board them and kill them instead of having to shoot at them. Alright, let's see if we can get on here. Oh god. Okay, we made it. Alright, cool. Alright, let's kill some more of these dudes really quickly. But yeah, I think there is 3 in total. I know we've killed 1 so far. We'll see. This is the second one now. It's a pretty cool event. I mean, I'm really hoping we get something good, like a legendary curse or something. But I mean, beggars can't be choosers, man, so we'll probably get like a clothing item, which is fine, because I want to make a ghost set anyways. But yeah, we're just going to finish off killing all these dudes on this ship here. Where's the rest at? Is that all of them? Oh, there's actually the 3rd ship as well. Yeah, so I believe there's 3 ships in total that you must kill. Alright, cool. I think we just finished that one. Oh god, all this damage. Am I going to survive? Am I going to die? I think I might die here, guys. Oh, no, we're good, we're good. Okay. Oh, I didn't get on the ship. That's no good. That's fine. We're a mermaid, so we're pretty good anyways. We won't die. If I could just drink this, man. I think you can't drink potions in the water, so I actually have to get on this ship. I don't think I can while they're moving. But luckily we're fast as they are because we have mermaids, so we're not in too big of an issue. Let's see if I could get on here. We'll just keep following it, I guess, until they stop. Alright, now we are fighting the third ghost ship, it looks like, and it did stop so we could get on. There we go. Alright, this is the final one. I believe there is 3 in total, guys. Just heal up here before I die. Alright, that was really close. Thankfully, we healed up. Alright, let me jump over onto that ship. Make sure you're not, like, equipping a weapon or something when you jump, because for some reason it feels like when you do that, it, like, glitches you out or something. I'm not sure. Alright, let's kill this one. There we go. And this should be the final one? Or there might be one in here. There we go. Alright, I think that's it, guys. It should be all 3 of them. Once this one sinks, I believe we'll complete the quest. Just get back on our ship here. Alright, let's see. Should be 3 in total, I believe. I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure it's 3 in total. GG, yeah, I think it is. Alright, so if you guys were to actually defeat this, you would get a title called WRAITH Slayer, which is what I'm wearing currently. And you would also get, there we go, the Ghost Fleet has been sunk. And you would also get a piece of clothing or a really rare, there we go, common unlock WRAITH Slayer title. I guess it gave me it again. Common unlock Ghost Fleet coat overcoat. An overcoat, okay, that's cool. Now I have the hat and the overcoat. Would have been really nice to get the legendary, what do you call it, the what is it called, the curse, the legendary curse. But I'll be killing it more in the future, and I will be getting it eventually. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you do the Ghost Fleet on A Pirate's Tale. And once again, my name is ABC Pone, and I'll see you guys later.